shall not pass, no passarán, no more
It's about a young kid called Sammy. He's only 18 years old and he's involved in the Cable Street riots, and he's read about Spain and he wants to fight in Spain.
How can I stay here when I know I should help them? So I hope you see I have to go to Spain.
There's some lovely strong melodies and songs.
And it's a story that has almost been forgotten or at least not told.
It's kind of hard to keep emotions at bay at times. It's really kind of pulls at your heartstrings. So it's yeah, I think it's a great show.
Escucha nuestro llanto y luchar por la libertad.
I feel like there's a real resonance in Spain, and especially in Catalonia and Barcelona. The people who have seen it from Spain and in Barcelona just seem to, it really touches them, you know, so much.
Jo soc en Sami.
Hola, Sammy.
Hola. Tinc 18 anys i me'n vaig a la guerra, al bàndol socialista, contra els feixistes i a guanyar una batalla que no sé si...
Doncs jo soc la Pilar i soc una noia catalana d'aquí de Barcelona que es troba pel camí amb el Sam i bueno, viu en una petita història d'amor dintre d'esta guerra i d'est horror i de la música de les bombes.
The beauty of this piece is that it affects the people from America volunteered. So every country will understand the story and its significance.
Because there's the socialist, the anarchist, the communist for short, PSOE, the CNT.
I, like most Americans, don't know a lot about the Spanish Civil War, which is sort of shameful because it actually is a major page in history.
So when you can learn something and be entertained and be moved, that's exciting.
It will also give heart and meaning to people who sacrifice their lives very selflessly to a noble cause.
It was a great experience.
I think it's a fascinating piece and a fascinating story.
I hope it's going to, you know, move on to full production.
La Pasionaria realmente, de hecho, uno de sus discursos más importantes era el discurso defendiendo y agradeciendo a las brigadas internacionales de la cantidad de gente de muchísimos países que vinieron a ayudar y a luchar contra el fascismo. Pues por eso mi personaje es tan representativo, porque esta función es un homenaje a las brigadas internacionales.